213 pounds to 185 pounds. Vanessa, you're 5'6", 50 years old. You're a doctor, so I know you want to live by example for your patients. You said you're taking less than 5,000 steps per day. The MyFitnessPal. First, I want to give you a lot of credit for actually taking the time to figure out your maintenance calories of what keeps you at 213 pounds. This is where a lot of people go wrong. They don't take the time to use a food scale and track their food for a couple of weeks and weigh themselves to find what keeps them at their current weight. You found that. Now in the MyFitnessPal, I want you to input 1,800. So we're gonna go into a slight deficit. And these are the macro percentages I want you to adjust in the MyFitnessPal. Weightlifting 3 times a week, and I already text you the weightlifting plan I want you to follow. And then your daily steps, I want you to take anywhere between 8,000 to 12,000. And you're already doing my Burn It walking plan, so you should easily get anywhere between 8 to 12,000 steps. Go ahead and follow this structure, and we'll be able to get you from 213 to 185.